So please explain the different types of smart bidding. I can never get any impressions from these and they never work. Call to action or that conversion action which you want. What most people do is when they have got zero data in their account and you are, let's say, starting a brand new campaign today, because the default settings in Google Ads is the automated bidding, obviously you as a newbie or a newcomer, you would set that up and you'll find that you are not getting any impressions. Forget conversions or clicks or conversions, you're not even getting any impressions. And you will find that the campaign will go into the learning phase where you get the message called eligible learning. So what that means is the system, the algorithm, the robots is trying to work out what you want because it doesn't have any data in the account. Are you looking for visitors to your website? Are you looking for email subscribers? Are you looking for somebody to make a purchase on your website? It needs to learn, and this is what it is trying to do without any data. The second thing is the bidding. So let's start with the first one, the target CPA. So the target CPA means, TCPA means as target cost per acquisition. Now it's the same as conversion, but because if it was TCPC, that means cost per click, so then the confusion will arise. So that's why it is called acquisition. So you are acquiring a lead or a customer. I'm gonna put this down so you don't get confused. Okay. What this means is how much are you prepared to pay for a acquisition. Now our acquisition could be a lead or a customer, right? So if you are a lead generation business where you are generating leads, your acquisition would be leads. If you are an e-commerce website and you're selling physical products or digital products, then you are trying to get customers to your website to make a purchase. Now you need to give a target because they want to get or acquire a customer as cheaply as possible, which is understandable. But if your cost per click, let's say in your niche, is $10, then how can you get a conversion at $5? It's impossible. Google will not have any leeway. So what you need to do is, and this is my opinion and my workflow, before I start any of these automated campaigns, I always run manually. First of all, run a manual campaign, get the data in, and minimum is about 30. Google says, well, if you speak to any of the Google apps on the support, they will say, well, start on the target automated bid from day one. You can try it, and then you can also set up a manual campaign and run both of them and see which one starts to work. So don't take my word for it.